Hey guys, I'm Adrian Justine. Welcome to the House to Home series. This is episode 1 and it is the empty house tour. So I have always loved interior design. I've actually worked at Z Gallery for 2 years where I helped customers to design their homes, offices, events. And so to finally be able to design my own home, I'm so excited. I have so many ideas on how to make this space modern, and I cannot wait to share that with you. Let's get into this empty house tour. As you can see, I have so much work to be done. It's gonna be a process, but I'm definitely gonna take you through all the steps of the process and hopefully you can get inspired, you can learn something. Hit the like button if you're excited about the transformation of this space.